Today Archangel Michael has serious news for you. He says if you ignore what's been found in your spiritual record, you will remain trapped in cycles of guilt and shame that block your blessings. This is not meant to scare you but to reveal the truth about what divine law enforcement has discovered. Even though this feels heavy, remember that heavenly forces are working to clear your name. Believe that this message comes at this exact moment because you're finally ready to face the truth, and know that by watching this video, you are already beginning the record clearing process. Your spiritual freedom matters to the courts of heaven. Archangel Michael wants you to know about a spiritual case file that exists in your name. This isn't just about hearing information, it's about actively addressing what's been documented in the celestial records before today's court session closes. This announcement acts as a divine summons connecting you to the judgment already happening in the higher realms. The next few minutes will create a direct link between you and the heavenly courtroom where your soul's case is being reviewed right now. Your name is being called in the angelic courts, and Michael himself stands ready with your complete spiritual file, waiting for you to acknowledge these findings so the clearing process can begin and false accusations can be dismissed forever. This important legal notification is one of many Archangel Michael wants to deliver to you. Subscribe now and turn on all notifications to receive these divine case updates before your spiritual opportunities expire. Your soul's freedom depends on staying informed about what's happening in the celestial courts. Like this video now as your spiritual signature acknowledging that you've received this official notice from the heavenly realms. You've been carrying so much guilt and shame lately. You've been punishing yourself for past mistakes even when nobody else remembers them. Your honest heart shows your true character, and it has caught the attention of the divine authorities. You felt like someone was watching you or judging you recently and couldn't shake those feelings. Your sincere desire for redemption and to make things right has made you someone the angels watch with special compassion. You've been quietly trying to improve yourself in ways even you don't fully recognize, but the heavenly record keepers have been documenting every genuine effort you've made to become better. Because of your spiritual honesty, Archangel Michael has personally taken on your case. He has seen how you genuinely regret your mistakes and how you keep trying to grow despite feeling unworthy. He is deeply moved by your soul's transparency. He wants to step in personally to show you the truth now. Guided by both divine justice and holy mercy, and seeing the false charges filed against your spirit, Archangel Michael is ready to present the real findings from your spiritual investigation today. This review comes directly from the highest court in heaven where truth matters more than accusations. A spiritual investigation far more thorough than any earthly background check has been completed on you. Divine law enforcement has documented every single thing in your life, both the mistakes you remember and the good deeds you've forgotten about. The findings reveal patterns and connections you never noticed yourself. Past life karma and everything you've done in this lifetime are all recorded in detail. Negative spiritual entities have been filing false charges against you to keep you feeling guilty and blocked from your blessings. However, countless acts of kindness and moments of genuine love are also documented that you never gave yourself credit for. This announcement from Archangel Michael creates an official clearing that removes these false accusations from your permanent record. It reveals your true spiritual standing versus the lies your enemies want you to believe about yourself. You're protected from those trying to condemn your soul unfairly. The truth about who you really are will set you free from the guilt that's been weighing you down for so long. Archangel Michael's record clearing must reach others who have false charges against them too. Immediately share this video with at least 3 people who need their spiritual files reviewed and cleared. Each person who misses this official notification loses their chance to address their case during this special court session. Your share could be the divine legal help someone desperately needs right now. By sharing, you become a messenger of heavenly justice, helping others discover the truth about what's really in their spiritual records. By watching this announcement fully before today ends, You connect directly to the celestial court session happening right now. Archangel Michael's presence flows into your awareness, bringing the real findings of your spiritual investigation with him. False accusations filed by negative entities are dismissed immediately by divine order. Your genuine good works are entered into evidence and counted in your favor. You'll likely dream about being cleared of charges or released from prison tonight as your physical mind processes what's happening on the soul level. Your spiritual record gets updated in real time, with corrections being made to errors and lies. Divine witnesses step forward to testify about the good in you that you never saw in yourself. The weight of guilt and shame lifts as absolute truth replaces the distorted story you believed. This divine legal intervention arrives at the perfect moment, as today marks the final opportunity for this particular soul liberation process. Archangel Michael has seen your soul's true nature and genuine intentions. He knows you're at a critical turning point in your spiritual healing journey. He wants to make sure this record clearing fully activates so you can step into the next level of your life purpose. He celebrates how brave you've been in facing your own darkness and mistakes. This special legal clearing is solid proof that angels are actively working on your behalf in realms you cannot see. This case review shows how much your spiritual freedom matters in the bigger plan. The fact that Michael himself handles your file means your soul's redemption has greater significance than you currently understand. Your transformation story will inspire others who feel trapped by their past, and this clearing prepares you for important spiritual work ahead. As Michael's clearing energy flows to you, consider sending energy back through a super thanks of $5, $10, or $20. Look for the thanks button appearing now. This exchange of energy acts as spiritual restitution that strengthens the record clearing and helps extend this divine legal assistance to others whose souls desperately need their cases reviewed and their names cleared. As you accept this spiritual clearing, think about the strange feelings you've had recently. Remember the times you felt like someone was watching you or following you. Think about moments when guilt hit you out of nowhere for things from years ago. Recall the dreams where you were in court or being judged by authorities you couldn't see clearly. This record review explains all those experiences. They were your soul's awareness of the investigation happening in the spiritual realm. Your feelings were absolutely correct. Something important has been happening concerning your spiritual legal status, and your conscience was connecting you to the celestial proceedings. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now to continue receiving divine legal notifications and case updates. Archangel Michael notices those who take their spiritual records seriously and respond to official heavenly summons. Then tell us what spiritual legal help you need next by commenting clear for karmic debt cancellation, freedom for breaking spiritual bondage, or justice to expose those filing false charges against your soul. Imagine tonight as you prepare for sleep, feeling Archangel Michael standing in your room like a divine attorney. As your eyes close, see him holding a large file with your name written in golden letters. Watch as he opens it and begins stamping page after page with bright red ink that says dismissed and forgiven and cleared. Feel a tremendous weight lifting off your chest and shoulders as each false charge disappears from your record. Notice how much lighter you feel with each breath as shame dissolves like morning fog in sunlight. Your spiritual credit score rises higher and higher as the truth replaces the lies. Every inhale brings in the freedom of a cleared conscience, while every exhale releases years of unnecessary guilt you've been carrying. This divine legal clearing feels like chains breaking off your soul, setting you free to finally move forward without the past holding you back anymore. This record clearing also opens doors that have been blocked by karmic interference for years. It removes spiritual obstacles that prevented your prayers from being answered and your blessings from manifesting. It gives you a fresh start in the eyes of the universe, like a criminal record being completely erased. Whether you seek better relationships, financial breakthroughs, or deeper spiritual connection, this cleared record allows your soul to access blessings that were being held back due to false charges on your file. In the coming weeks, you'll notice opportunities appearing, people treating you differently, and a new ease in areas that used to feel cursed or blocked. So as you move through the rest of your day, understand this is more than just information about your spiritual record. It's divine legal intervention arriving at exactly the right moment in your healing journey. This case review reminds you that when you're truly ready to face the truth, heavenly forces step in with mercy and justice combined. Welcome this spiritual clearing with gratitude and relief. As your record is updated in the celestial courts, your entire life path shifts to align with your true potential. This moment confirms you have a fresh start and a clean slate in the eyes of heaven, regardless of what your past looked like. This urgent notification from Archangel Michael cannot be taken lightly, especially today when the celestial court session is actively reviewing cases. The record clearing being offered creates a permanent legal standing in heaven that negative forces cannot reverse or challenge. Full awareness of this message activates the most powerful level of clearing before the court session ends at midnight when this particular soul liberation window closes. The divine judges are waiting for your response right now before moving to the next case on their list. Having your spiritual record cleared means experiencing relief and freedom you haven't felt in years. Many people report feeling completely different within hours of their clearing, lighter in their body, clearer in their mind, and more hopeful about their future than they've been in a long time. This divine legal intervention breaks patterns of self-sabotage and repeated mistakes that may have been caused by spiritual bondage you didn't know existed. The transformation is often so noticeable that even strangers comment on how different your energy feels. The cleared record of Michael's legal intervention stays permanently with those who accept it, creating a blessing that extends beyond just this lifetime and opens pathways for opportunities previously blocked by karmic debt. This divine acquittal makes you recognizable to other advanced souls as someone who has been spiritually pardoned and restored. Thousands have completed their record clearing process through an energy exchange of $5, $10, $20, or more. Your contribution joins theirs in strengthening Michael's legal defense network throughout our spiritual community. Every gift amplifies this divine clearing and ensures these critical soul liberation announcements continue reaching those trapped by false spiritual charges. You're joining a growing movement of legally cleared souls walking in spiritual freedom. Archangel Michael is watching who accepts their spiritual clearance. Don't leave your soul record unresolved today. Subscribe, share, and stay connected to the divine legal system that is actively working to set you free from every false accusation right now.